Pedigree Truck Sales is the remarketing division for Prime Incorporated, one of the largest refrigerated trucking companies in North America.
We sell the used equipment, the used trucks, used trailers coming out of Prime's fleet.
Some of the advantages that we have selling the Prime equipment is their safety features. Another great advantage from buying from Pedigree is that you don't have to just settle for a white truck.
We have a variety of different colors available. We feel that our equipment needs to be personalized to the driver.
We have a fleet of over 7,000 trucks to choose from. So if you're looking for a different color, different make, model, miles, or year, we can still help you find the truck that fits your needs.
We are the original owners of these trucks at Prime, so we do have the full maintenance history from mile number one on this equipment.
When you buy from Pedigree, you know you're going to have preventative maintenance records back to day one.
Everything from a light bulb being changed every time the truck was on Prime's yard to every PM and service interval on that truck. We do provide the entire service history of the equipment.
We understand the importance of preventative maintenance and how that affects the bottom dollar.
All of our trucks come with a 4-year, 600,000-mile factory warranty that transfers to you, so you don't have to worry about maintenance after your purchase.
Our standard prep process, we run every truck through Prime Shop. So we're going to do items such as pulling the diesel particulate filter, rod testing it per Detroit standards. We check bunk latches, cabinet hinges, fire extinguishers, triangles. From there, we send every truck through the OEMs, Detroit and/or Freightliner. We do a dyno on our trucks, fix any mechanical issues, oil leaks, all fully covered. We run every truck through our body shop, very comprehensive inspection.
We have 4 shops here. We do our own body work, we do our own tires, we do electrical maintenance, brakes, everything. It's all done here.
Pedigree offers one of the highest quality trucks in the industry. We're not going to be the cheapest piece of equipment, but we set the truck up and the products up for your success.
You don't have to worry about small breakdowns and little items. We are selling a trailer that is ready to go to work and to go to work immediately.
Pedigree's the place you want to buy your trailer because we're fleet owned, we're fleet maintained, we take very good care of our equipment, and we want to make sure that when we turn it over to you, that you're going to be able to get years and years worth of use out of it.
Feel free to give us a call or visit our website at pedigreetrucksales.com.